Alright you guys, and as you can see, this is going to be the finished look. I absolutely love these cute twists, and one thing I love about them as well is that they are reusable. Now I showed you exactly how I installed them. When it comes to the actual maintenance of this hair, I think this is going to be a low maintenance style. It is a quick protective style, as you can see, and even with me having old braids, it didn't really do too bad. Love the length on the hair as well. Y'all saw I did have 8 packs. I didn't use the full 8 packs. I used 7. You can kind of go with the variation and what you feel like will be best for you. But if I'm not mistaken, I think it only comes in like 2 different options. But I'll definitely link everything down in the description box below for you in the Amazon storefront, where you can get your hands on these Yankee twists. Definitely going to be a 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend. With these, there's so much versatility to them. You can wear them up, you can wear them down, you can wear them 2 ponytails, half up, half down, down the middle, you name it. The possibilities are endless. I love just bringing y'all these cute affordable styles that you can do in the comfort of your own home, and this is definitely going to be top of the list. Thank y'all so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and look forward to seeing my next video.